Hi everyone, here's a small video to show you where to go walk around the place from Oasis to Lake Champlain. So around the house there are many places you could go. As you can see here, you are exactly Oasis to Lake Champlain. And you can go, this is the house, the dock, and here's written Rue Léon, but it's for sure it's Brayton Street. So you take Brayton, and then right in front of it, you'll find a table picnic and some places to see some board where you can find some information. This land is cropped for agriculture purpose, but for scientific agricultural purpose. The trees, as you can see, there's a line of tree and lines of crops, and two kinds of it. So with the roots of the trees helps grow the crop. It's going to be tested like this. All this land is cultivated, but you can walk here all the way through, and at the end, but the road, the field might be not really clear, but you go left and then you'll find a way to get to the dike. Here's to the dike, and you can walk on the dike all the way, and you'll find like a small place. There's a stream that goes under the dike, and here is the landscape of what has been done to protect the turtles, soft shell turtles. They can nest at this place, and this is connected to a stream and wetlands that comes from the bay, Chapman Bay in Lake Champlain. And you can go during the summer high waters, you can go through it by canoe and see a lot of ducks and turtles, many kinds of turtles, and the water communicates all the way this way. And so this is a nice walk. The river goes all the way away, all to the McPhee River. So this is one place. This is not so far from Lake Champlain, Oasis Lake Champlain. So you just have to walk there. And also there's the place the place where you can go for a walk. This is Venise-en-Québec, and it's a small road. You can get from Oasis to Lake Champlain. You take Brayton Street and then Lakeshore all the way up, and what time you have to turn left, but you don't, you just turn right, because the Lakeshore Road does like turn left, but you at the end you turn right, and then at the stop you turn left, and you continue on small roads, and you'll find the centre d'interprétation du ruisseau McPhee. So you go all the way. This is all wetlands, and here you have the centre d'interprétation du ruisseau McPhee. It's a small stream that goes in the lake, and you can park right at the entrance there. As you can see, there's a place for parking, and As you go from Clarenceville to Venise-en-Québec, you'll find this on your left. And you see the dock. As you can see the path here, the wooden path, you can see it clearly there. From there you go there, and then after that it goes inside a small forest. And you can get to it brings you to the Centre de Nature, which is still the same path, but have to cross the 202. And here you'll find a small house open to public where you can rest a bit, read some books, and if you have a picnic, if it's too cold, you can get warmer there. And it's like a place to stop. You can also take your journey from here and park there, but I suggest to get there you can come back then to where you from, where you park your car, or you can continue at the back of the house. The path continue at the back of the house. We can't see it, but there's a path that going through and brings you to the neighborhood. You go through the neighborhood and you cross it, and you continue until you find the golf area. And at the golf area you come back to the main road here, and you can walk along this street, the 202, which is very neat because there's a cycle path and you can really enjoy the waterfront. And instead of taking the 202, you continue on the road, which is being local now, so you can get back to the Centre d'Interprétation de la Nature. And so you can do like a big round circle like this. Okay, also you could go from the Oasis, the Lake Champlain, to McVeigh Road and visit, going all the way to Knott's Corner, and then take Knott's Corner. It's very pretty. It's a dirt road and there's not much traffic there. Very, very few traffic. Also, you can go around this neighborhood, which called Rouleau. It's just close to the border, and you can walk around here, and there's a park there, and you can enjoy just walking around it there. It's quite fine. And the border is right here. You can also walk on Lake Shore and go to the neighbor of Gloria village and walk and come back. So you could also go to the US and do some sightseeing there. It's quite pretty. Here's the Oasis du Lac Champlain. You take McVeigh and then beach south. You cross the border and then you head up south. You pass Albert Spring and then you cross the bridge to West Swanton. And then you can go to the Missisquoi Natural Wildlife Refuge. And there are some trails around there, but you have to find it from the local tourist information or from the locals there. Just ask some people. We go here during the summer. We take this road here. Very pretty road. Bicycling there, it's quite fine. And then we come back directly to our place. It's a very nice spot to do some sightseeing too. And you see, this is a main road that you can go through islands that are in the middle of Lake Champlain, which is a big part of Lake Champlain, is in the US. And this is very pretty road that you can go through and then heading for Burlington for a walk in the city. It's a university city where there's a walking street, very pleasant to walk there, go to the restaurants, and Burlington is a very nice city. There are some museums too. And the port too. So see, the lake is quite big in the US part, and the Canadian part is more small. And you can head up on the east side of the lake. See, we are right up north of Camping Miller. See Camping Miller right there. And you can go around the lake by going to Venise-en-Québec. Around and go to Phillipsburg and take the road. The Saint-Armand road is very, very pretty road. You take this street here, 202. Okay, you go around Venise-en-Québec Bay and you keep on the 202 until you reach the 133, and then you head up south. On the 133, you're going down close to the border. Before the border is in a street there called Chemin Saint-Armand, heading for Phillipsburg. And you just take this road here, and the road is very, very, very pretty. Go in a clear day so you can see the views. And in Phillipsburg, it's a small town which offers, it's very cute, very nice, New England style. And there's some shops, and here's a bar you can go for the night. They have very nice activities like bands that play there. And you can continue to reach, if you head up there for the day or few days, you could go all the way to Sutton. By continuing on the road that's parallel to the border, and you reach the here, and you reach this road. I don't see the number, and you're going up till Sutton. Sutton is very, very cute and New England type of city, a little bit bigger than Phillipsburg. And then there's a road there that brings you on the Mount Sutton. In the winter there's a lot of skiing there, but during the summer, autumn and spring you really have plenty room for hiking. It's very pretty. And then you take a good coffee at the coffee shop there in the center of Sutton. And if you want, you can reach up on other nice area in the Canton de l'Est, we call it. And you can reach Bromont. Bromont is a bigger city with a big mountain, lot of skiing, and during the summer you can also enjoy hiking. There's a lot of activity for hiking in Bromont. Nice shops also, restaurants, and nature. There's if you want to do horseback riding, it's a nice place for that, and biking. So this is all the east side region of our area, and you can reach also Magog, which is a bigger city around Lake Champlain. So let's get back to where we live, right there. And I hope you like this video, and if you like it, just thumb up, and we'll do a next video for the west part of Oasis du Lake Champlain.